This will be the elevator tour of the Circus Circus, Reno, Nevada. When you first come in, you come into this elevator. Let's take a part-way ride on this one because this one's really slow. And I'm sure y'all have seen a series one before. It's even slow for half the floor. That's how pathetic this thing is. Now we'll walk over to the casino tower. This is the casino tower. This accounts my hotel tour. Come on, man. Uh-oh. I have to go full ride on this one because this one's pretty quick. Go back to 2. Oh wow, look at that. There's the casino tower. Now we'll walk over to the Deluxe Tower. Then you'll be at the Tram station lobby. Get out on these escalators. Have to be careful down here because there's a casino. These are Odicito escalators. Actually, these are hot ones. And here's the Deluxe Tower. Sorry for the finger. I had to wipe something off the screen.
Going down.
Take a full ride on these, because these ones aren't too slow. Well, they're slow, but not too slow. Sorry about the shakiness. I'm really hot right now.
23rd floor. Going down.
Old camera. Look at that camera. It's really very strange. There's a speaker right there. That's actually where the voice comes out. Look at these unique handrails. That's where the original indicator used to be, with a Westinghouse indicator slapped onto it. Constipated voice.
Lobby level, hotel registration, and casino.
We'll walk over to the green garage. Climb escalators. Look in the mirror, you do see a lot of hi. Okay, let's go up to the garage. If you go down this long corridor, go to the green garage elevators. So I don't feel like videotaping all this quick. I'm gonna teleport in 3, 2, 1. Okay, I just finished teleporting, and let's go up. I'll take a part ride on these. Go up to 6. Good on the 4. Okay, now we'll have to go back into the long hallway. Okay, that girl's been sitting there all day. Since I don't feel like walking all the way, I'm gonna teleport again. Okay, I just finished teleporting again, and now we're gonna walk over to the yellow garage. We're gonna take a part-way ride on here. We got the glitched up one. Let's go up to down to 1 because it thinks it's going down. Wow, this thing's rough stops. Look at that. First floor, going down. This is the yellow garage. As you can tell by the doors. Oh wow, these stops. Okay. And there it goes. Forming a 2. And since I don't feel like walking all this way, I'm gonna teleport again. There's a handicapped elevator. And I just got finished. Oh shit! I got finished tripping. And there's arcade. There's a tram. That's the only one working. The other one down there, sadly dead. Okay. Got one. Took a full ride on this because these are quick. Looks like somebody excited. Sorry if I'm shaking, I'm texting. That's bad indicator. Oh, damn, this is going lovely. Go down to 2. Get a cab view. Hello? Hey. Oh. Yeah, I know about that area. Oh, right now I'm trying to take a hotel tour. Sorry, that was my mother. And this is the red garage. Sorry. Red garage elevators. We'll take part ride on this. Because of 2 things. They're very jittery and these things don't like to cooperate. Here we'll go to P6. Sierra Elevator. Wow. Holy shit. See where it wants to go down to. Because somebody caught it apparently. Apparently not. Put on the P2 and 3. Whoa, what was that? There's shaft light. Yeah, that's it. And that completes the tour. And if the shuttle's here, then we'll have a bonus. Oh, you guys are in for a treat. Told me last time. Oh, security camera. Whoa, look what is blue on my camera.
Please clear the doorway and be seated, or hold on to the handrails for your safety. Thank you.
This is an extra treat for you guys.
Circus Circus Reno welcomes you and invites you to enjoy our 6 sensational restaurants, a unique midway of fun, 3 world-class circus shows, an expansive casino with the best players club in Reno, and flexible convention facilities.
You can see the dog.
CircusReno.com for complete information and to find the best rates for your next visit. From international selections in our courtyard buffet,
Circus Circus.
Made impeccable service at the steakhouse and circus. You can find a dining choice to meet any appetite and
Ew, I just stepped on something.
6 different dining venues. You can pick one or try it all during your stay. Enjoy free shows by the amazing performers from Russia, the Imperial Acrobats of China, and J.R. Johns in his marvelous must while you play one of the many games for kids of all ages on the Midway Club. The One Club offers the best complimentaries in Reno and free play that's really free. Start earning your free rooms, dining, shows, slot play, and events immediately by taking advantage of the One Club's benefits and sign up today. Enjoy your stay, and thank you for choosing Circus Circus Reno. Remain seated until the shuttle comes to a complete stop, and watch your step upon exiting.
And there it goes. That's it. That completes the elevator tour.